All right, welcome back. So this video, let's talk about the learner-instructor connection. So always make sure you look at the requirements in the rubric on what you should cover. So just what's required is record a short video sharing your expectations of this course. Consider answering the following questions in your video. Which of the concepts sound familiar to you? Relate to key concepts in the course and how they apply it in the workplace, and provide a personal reflection. Um, so here it's a 3 to 5 minute video. Introduce yourself. Tell me where you're coming from. Hey, I've got 20 years business experience. I've got no business experience. These are my expectations. This is my work this is my work experience as well. So really just introduce yourself here. Tell me about the concepts. Now we're going to talk about triple bottom line. We're going to talk about corporate social responsibility and things of that nature. So that's kind of the key concepts you'll be coming from. So that's the requirements. So how you get into it, you click on 1-3. Yours may again look slightly a little different. You may see some things, but you'll be able to record your video. So you'll be able to record your video, and then once you record your video, please try to use the Bongo system to do the recording. Just click submit. Make sure you click submit. If you don't click submit, I won't be able to see it. It won't show up for me to score it. So that's how you use Bongo. If you have any issues, please let me know. But we'll cover a few more topics in a couple more videos. Thanks. Have a good day.